Have you ever awakened from a dream, heart pounding, mind racing, with the lingering sense that you've just touched something profound, something just beyond your grasp? A cryptic message whispered from the depths of your own being. We've all been there. Dreams, those nightly voyages into the unknown landscapes of our subconscious, often leave us with more questions than answers. But what if I told you those seemingly random images, those bizarre scenarios, hold the key to unlocking profound insights about yourself, your fears, your desires, your deepest truths? In this exploration, we'll journey into the fascinating realm of dream interpretation, learning how to decipher the symbolic language of the subconscious and harness its power for self-discovery. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to begin unraveling the secrets your dreams have been whispering to you all along. For centuries, humans have been captivated by the enigma of dreams. Ancient civilizations saw them as divine messages, portals to other realms, or glimpses into the future, while modern science offers neurological explanations for dreaming. The profound emotional and psychological impact of these nocturnal narratives remains undeniable. They are the language of the soul, a direct line to the deepest recesses of our minds. But how do we understand this language? It's not as simple as looking up a dream dictionary and finding a one-size-fits-all interpretation. The true power of dream analysis lies in understanding the personal symbolism within your dreams. What does a specific image, a particular character, or a recurring scenario mean to you? That's the golden question. The first step in this journey of self-discovery is to start recording your dreams. Keep a journal by your bedside, and as soon as you wake up, jot down every detail you can remember, no matter how trivial it seems. The feelings you experienced, the colors you saw, the snippets of conversation. Everything is significant. Over time, patterns will begin to emerge, revealing recurring themes and symbols unique to your inner world. Now let's talk about some common dream motifs. Flying, for instance, often represents a sense of freedom, liberation, or a desire to escape from a challenging situation. Water can symbolize emotions, the unconscious mind, or the flow of life. Being chased can represent avoidance, a fear of confrontation, or feeling overwhelmed by responsibilities. But remember, these are just general interpretations. The true meaning lies within the context of your life. Let's say you dream of being chased by a shadowy figure. A generic interpretation might suggest you're avoiding something in your waking life. But to truly understand the dream, you need to ask yourself, what does that shadowy figure represent to me? Is it a fear of failure, an unresolved conflict, a specific person? By delving deeper, connecting the dream imagery to your personal experiences and emotions, you unlock the true message your subconscious is trying to convey. Another powerful tool for unlocking dream wisdom is meditation. Before going to bed, set an intention to remember your dreams. Visualize yourself awakening with vivid recall. When you wake up, spend a few minutes in quiet reflection, allowing the dream to resurface in your memory. Remember, dreams are not prophecies etched in stone. They are not predictions of the future. They are reflections of your inner world, your hopes, your anxieties, your unresolved issues. By learning to understand their language, you gain access to a powerful tool for self-awareness, personal growth, and transformation. As you embark on this journey of dream exploration, be patient with yourself. It's a process of unfolding, of peeling back the layers of your subconscious. Not every dream will offer a clear and immediate message. Some dreams might be nonsensical, others deeply profound. But with consistent practice and a willingness to delve into the unknown, you'll begin to unlock the secrets your dreams have been whispering all along, illuminating the path towards a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. So tonight, as you drift off to sleep, remember the power that resides within your dreams. Embrace the mystery and allow the language of your subconscious to guide you on your journey of self-discovery. Start that journey tonight by keeping a dream journal by your bedside. Share your most intriguing dream symbols in the comments. I'd love to hear about them. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of dream interpretation, be sure to subscribe for more videos exploring the mysteries of the mind. Until next time, sweet dreams.